सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं कर्वावहे तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे। ओम शांति शांति शांति। बोलो पूर्ण ब्रह्म नारायणी शिशिमानंदमय की जय। Okay, now last episode I showed you the Bhaate Bhaat. So this time I'm showing you the Masala Dahi. Okay, it's very simple, nothing to it. So see, you have to first take dahi, okay, and I have taken hara, dhaniya and pudina, dono. Now pudina is a little more than hara dhaniya. What you have to do is mix it, okay, and then this is just simple masala, lal mirchi powder, salt, jeera powder, and I want sanchar, kaala namak. This is not kaala namak. So where is kaala namak? Okay, this is kaala namak. Now you just beat up the dahi first. Beat up nicely. And if your dahi is little purana, like 1 or 2 days old, then put a little pinch of sugar. If it is taza dahi, you don't need to do that. So after this is done, I'm just going to put the masala first. Little lal mirchi powder, jeera, kaala namak, and because it's namak, you put very little salt. That's it. Now this we have to mix it. So you put it in the mixer. Take drinking water. Little bit, not much. And make a paste. Let's see whether it's done or not. It's done. Then pour it in this. Mix it. Three green dahi. Let me see if it's okay. It's yummy. You see that? So that's how you do it. So your dahi is done, the masala dahi that I was talking about, and there's a lovely pudina fragrance in it. That's all. This is it. Okay, so this is over for today. Now in the next episode, let's see what we make. So, Om Sahana Vavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavaditamastu ma vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Bolo Purna Brahma Narayani Shishimanandamay ki Jai.